Welcome back to the Write to Heal Daily channel. This is your space to slow down, reflect, and reconnect with your inner wisdom through writing. Today's prompt is, write about a person who has supported you in your healing process. Take a moment to settle into your body. Breathe in gently and exhale. Let yourself remember someone, past or present, who helped you feel seen, safe, or supported during a time of pain, growth, or uncertainty. This could be a family member, a close friend, a therapist, a caregiver, a teacher, or even someone you didn't know well, whose kindness or words touched you deeply. As you write, gently explore, who is this person and what role did they play in your life? What did they offer you, emotionally, physically, or simply through their presence? How did their support help you feel more whole, appreciated, alive, or grounded? What did you feel in your body when you were with them? Have you felt that before or since? Do you want to feel that again? Why? In what ways did they honor your boundaries, your silence, your story, or your dreams? You might also reflect on how being supported shaped your healing and what it taught you about trust, safety, and connection. Writing about people who've supported us can help calm the nervous system, strengthen our sense of connection, and bring deeper meaning to our life experiences. It's a way of reminding ourselves that healing is not something we have to do alone. There is no wrong answer. And remember, you have a right to heal. This is your healing journey. Now take a deep breath, grab your pen or keyboard. We'll play soothing music while you write for the next few minutes. Let's begin.